Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is May the 14th, and I'm using my new simple trading system. This system uses some moving averages, the Heikin-Ashi candles, and these arrows that's called the super signal indicator. And down here at the bottom, there's 2 oscillating indicators. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, both Forex and the futures. And of course, I take a look at my daily trade plan. And once I decided if I'm buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box you see here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. And the time at this point in time is 10 a.m. New York time, and I'm done trading for the day. Anyhow, this daily trade plan checks from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, after it does a bunch of calculations, we'll make a recommendation, either look for bullish trades, bearish trades, sometimes preferred, and sometimes just waiting for some kind of a clear direction. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. You have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, if you need more information regarding this daily trade plan, you can look right below this video in the description. You'll get some information, and if you need more information, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can take a look at these trades. First one, pound yen. I sold it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now everything on the charts, top and bottom, was suggesting to sell, including my daily trade plan. So I got in at this point, went sideways for a while until finally it dropped. If I stayed in the trade, I would have made more. Got in here and I got out here with about 40 pips, and that paid out $259. Okay, moving on to the next trade is the euro yen. Another one, I sold it. Looked very similar to the pound yen, and on some days they're correlated. One goes down, the other one goes down. So let's see now. Got in at this point. We had the daily trade plan, the arrows, red arrows here. Down at the bottom, everything's saying to sell. So I sold it and I closed out the trade here with 51 pips, and that paid out $329. Okay, moving on to the next trade is moving on to the futures, the indexes. It's the Russell, so let's pull up the Russell. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now after it did this cycle up, I realized that I was in the process of doing the pullback. From here to here is just a pullback. And I teach that in the training videos on how to trade pullbacks. So even though the market can be going up, you can trade pullbacks. So took the trade at this point, and the Russell pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, looks like we're looking for 94. There it is right there, 94 ticks, and that paid out $940. Okay, let's move on to the NASDAQ. Pull up the NASDAQ. It was running flat, as you can see. And NASDAQ does pay $20 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 20. Calculator says we're looking for approximately 60. So let's drag and drop this up. This is the only one I bought. Bought it here, and I got out here. Wasn't looking for very much, but 60 ticks is enough. There it is right there, 60 ticks, and that paid out $1,198. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see we're looking for 182. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Did one more cycle up to this area resistance and then it dropped. And like I said, we're looking for 182. There it is right there, 182, and that paid out $1,823. So another great day of trading using my simple trading system. I made it as simple as I could make it. You only need 4 triggers, 2 in the bottom, 2 in the top. Once you get the triggers, you take the trade. Anyhow, I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total for today was 427, and that ended up paying out $4,550. So if your system's not producing, like my simple trading system, recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, of course, if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me, and that's very easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information, plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me. I do answer the phone most of the time. And very good tip is if you buy anything from anybody, make sure you can call them. This way here, this is how you would get your questions answered. And after you buy from me, I do give free support and I will answer your questions. Now, if you can't call me, well, just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Teams. So I made a link, Teams Invite. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Teams connection, and at that point, should be able to answer most of your questions and can even do some screen sharing. Now you will also see in the description that there's 6 different packages. The newest one I put up there was how to master day trading. And of course, each package I do charge 250 USD. And of course, if you just want one package, that's 250. Special offer, if you buy 2 packages, that's 400. And if you want 3 packages, well, that's $500. Remember, you will need a lot of education if you want to succeed at trading. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.